Hello students, how are you all? I hope all are good. I have given holidays work. I hope you have done. Okay, today I will start chapter 11, topic line segment, ray and line. Line segment, ray and line. I will start basic concept. I will tell you line segment, ray and line. First is plane. What is plane? A solid has a surface which may be flat or curved. For example, the surface of a ball is flat and the surface of a ball is curved. Plane means you can see ball. Football means आपने फुटबॉल देखी. This is the curve. Surface is curved. And wall, this is the plane, flat surfaces are known as plane surfaces. Okay, in mathematics a smooth flat surface which extend endlessly in the all direction is called plane. जिसका कोई पॉइंट नहीं है, कोई एंड पॉइंट नहीं है, एक्सटेंड हो रहा है इन ऑल सभी डायरेक्शंस में, दिस इज अ कॉल्ड प्लेन. फॉर एग्जांपल प्लेन, फुटबॉल, वॉल. द सरफेस ऑफ ए स्मूथ वॉल, द सरफेस ऑफ ए टॉप ऑफ टेबल का टॉप यू कैन सी. द सरफेस ऑफ ए स्मूथ ब्लैक बोर्ड, द सरफेस ऑफ ए शीट ऑफ पेपर इसका सरफेस. द सरफेस ऑफ ए काम वाटर इन अ पूल, जो पूल में वाटर है उसका सरफेस. और ऑल एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ ए पोर्शन ऑफ अ प्लेन. वी ड्रॉ फिगर्स सच एज ट्रायंगल, rectangle, a circle, etc. in a plane. We call them plane figures. Next point. Point is a mark of position. A small dot made by a sharp pencil on a plain paper represent a point. Point means this. Sharp pencil के साथ point लगाए, it means small dot. This is a point and indicate A. So we name a point by capital letter of the English alphabet. The given figure A is a point. A point has no length, breadth and thickness. Okay, understand? And next is line segment. Line segment, let A and B be 2 points. Then the straight path from A to B called is line segment AB. This is denoted by line segment AB. 2 points on a plane, जिसके 2 points हैं प्लेन में, 2 points A, B. This is the line segment. Line segment has definite length which can be measured, जिससे हम मेजर कर सकते हैं. डेट इज़ द लाइन सेगमेंट. ओके, एंड डिनोट ए बी अपर लाइन मीन्स लाइन सेगमेंट. मेजरिंग लाइन सेगमेंट्स. टू मेजर लाइन सेगमेंट्स वी नीड ए रूलर. लाइन को मेज़र करने के लिए हमें किसकी नीड पड़ती है? रूलर की. रूलर में स्केल. वन एज ऑफ ए रूलर इज मार्क्ड इन सेंटीमीटर. ईच सेंटीमीटर इज डिवाइड इंटू 10 इक्वल स्मॉल डिवीजन called millimeter. Firstly, you will take scale and you can see one have 10 equal small division. This is the millimeter and ruler is marked in centimeter. Okay, and how to measure the line segment? This is the, you can see in example AB. For example, AB is given 5.4 centimeter. So 0 to indicate point, 0 to 5 after count 4 line. So this is the This is the 5.4. how how to construct a line segment. Construct कैसे? This is a ruler. You can measure the ruler with, place the ruler on the plane of a paper and hold it firmly. Mark a point with the plain pencil against the 0 centimeter mark of the ruler. रूलर इसमें स्केल के साथ आपने 0 पॉइंट पे स्केल, सो ड्रॉ द लाइन 6.8, 6 आफ्टर 8 पॉइंट. दिस इज द ए बी line segment AB. Okay, and next point is ray. A line segment extended endlessly in one direction is called ray. रे क्या होती है? एक लाइन सेगमेंट है जिसका कोई एंड पॉइंट नहीं होता, एक वन डायरेक्शन. दिस इज कॉल्ड अ रे. thus a line segment AB extend endlessly in the one direction from A to B is a ray denoted by AB. This is the denoted by AB. The arrow indicates that the AB is endless in the direction from A to B. This is the indicate arrow AB. This A is the initial point. A is called initial point and AB has one end point. Note that BA is also ray. This BA is a ray. Now B is initial point. So AB ray and BA are two different ray. In AB ray, A is initial point and B is the initial point. Okay, and next, one point. An unlimited number of rays can be drawn in different directions, and given point O is the initial point as shown in the figure. One point, say, how many ray can draw? One initial point, say, unlimited number of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, unlimited. So question is, how many ray can draw in initial point? So answer is unlimited number of rays. Okay, so today you will do learn basic concept, a point, ray, line segment. Okay, you will learn and you will try in rough notebook. Okay students, thank you.